Alright guys, very exciting day today, and I got here a little box, and in this box is a very old Fujifilm X100S, and as you know the X100V and 6 are now out and very hyped and everything. So let's do a quick unboxing together. This is a used item. I'm so excited I didn't even have the time to put the overhead cam on. So what do we get inside of this box? We got everything falling out, first of all. So we got here a nice little Fujifilm leather strap, which is pretty cool to have, I guess. We got another strap, so pretty cool as well. Battery pack charger. So that's nice to have. And of course, the charger itself. The charger directly. And then we got it here, guys. Let's put this to the side. Ha 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 ha. I just realized, is there any batteries available? I'm not even sure if there are batteries inside of this. Whoops. The lens cap fell. Wow. Cool. It actually is much heavier than I thought. And much bigger than I thought, to be honest. I thought it was a small, compact kind of camera, but it's not compact at all. It's like a normal size camera. But in terms of how it looks, look at this. Ah, cool. Alright, let's see if there are any batteries inside of this. There is. Phew! There is a battery inside of this. I was a little bit scared that I didn't have any batteries in it. But good. Nice. Alright, so let's put a little SD card in it as well. Got here a nice little SD card. 64 gigs should be enough, right? So let's switch this thing on. If there is any juice, there is juice. So this is a very old camera, by the way, guys. It has some film simulations. Alright, so not everything is available here in terms of with the newer cameras, but I think I will go with the normal standard one. ND filter, it has an ND filter, cool. Let's see in the full review video if this is something worth getting in 2024 and what I think about it. And I'm also very curious to see what is the magic of having such a camera as this? Right, so make sure to subscribe to the channel if not already. Like the video, comment down below what do you want to see, what do you think about this pretty cool looking camera. And then we'll see in the full review in a couple of weeks. Alright, see you, bye bye.